I see the drone industry moving into the autonomous space, so the days of having a handheld controller are limited. There is a good chance that it's going to be all done remotely.
You know, delivering medicine, delivering food, the future of urban mobility, flying cars. You know, everyone says, oh, it's going to be years and years away, and it is years, but it's coming quickly.
Beyond visual line of sight means that we can physically fly further than we can see. So potentially, depending on the system, it can be 3 kilometres away, it could be 40 kilometres away. Obviously, it opens up a vast array of opportunity.
And it really opens up the sector to start taking over those really manned aviation dominant areas. It really takes a drone from a toy to an operational use.
Look, we have so many clients come to us saying, we want to do what they're doing. We want to do that, but we don't know how. How do we get there? We started trying to solve all of those problems. So if it's from the regulatory side through to staffing issues or what training is needed to do those complex operations. So we put all of that together to create the BVLOS Hub. And it's somewhere where people can come in and feel relaxed and just learn about the process.
So the purpose of BVLOS Hub is to support and develop our clients' UAV program, whether it is in its infancy or whether it is quite advanced and wants to move to the next level.
The BVLOS Hub is a support system. So we're the support system to help you push boundaries in your RPAS program.
We can provide the training, the support, the regulatory framework, the administration. It really is that full one-stop shop resource centre of knowledge.
Training can start from very bare basic training for someone who has just completed their remote pilots course, who needs, I guess, a bit of mentorship. We're also operating training for beyond line of sight, also SORA workshops, which is a risk analysis model that's used by CASA and around the world.
Each organisation has specific beyond visual line of sight programs, and a lot of these chief remote pilots just don't have the time to go out and train on their emergency response plans or the everyday taskings for beyond visual line of sight. So we can assist and work with your team to develop that training that you will need internally.
Our clients bring to us such unique applications and use cases. We get exposure to some amazing systems. We have relationships with some of the most cutting-edge drone companies all around the world.
We're extremely passionate, but we also have that proven ability. We've created safety cases for the regulator. We've been creating beyond visual line of sight scenarios using the SORA safety risk assessment process. We've been doing beyond visual line of sight flight operations for wing aviation. We've been creating beyond visual line of sight programs and operating procedures for many government departments across Australia as well.
It stems back to our mantra of the fact that we want to help our clients maximise their goals. For us, it's not about what services we can do, it's more so what services can we provide to our clients to help them get the results they're looking for out of their investments.
I want people to think when they hear the word beyond visual line of sight, I want them to think that there is a partner out there that can assist them fulfill their goals. And that hover and that BVLOS Hub is that place that they need to go to.